Students, let us solve question number 11, which is activity based question. The question is, in the figure, square ABCD is inscribed in the sector A-PCQ. Here, square ABCD is inscribed in sector A-PCQ. In this sector, the square is inscribed. The radius of sector C-BXD is 20 cm. Sector C-BXD, this sector, non-shaded sector. The radius of this sector is given 20 cm. Complete the following activity to find the area of shaded region. We have to find out this area of shaded region, and for that we have to complete this activity. Okay. So first step is given. Side of square ABCD is equal to radius of sector C-BXD equal to dash centimeter. So you can see in the figure the sector C-BXD, this sector. The radius of this sector is equal to side of the square, which is 20 cm. So here first answer you have to write 20 cm. Then area of square is equal to side square. Side of square we got 20 cm. So side square is equal to 20 square, and square of 20 is 400. Okay, this is statement number 1. So we got area of square is equal to 400 centimeter square. Next, area of shaded region inside the square. Now here in this square you can see that in this square the shaded region in that square, the area of this shaded region is equal to area of this square minus area of this sector C-BXD. Okay. So here formula is given. Area of square ABCD minus area of sector C-BXD. Area of square we calculated 400. So write here 400. Minus area of sector formula theta upon 360 into pi r square. Here area of square 400 minus theta for this sector is 90 degree because it is the angle of square. Here the angle of square is the angle of this sector, which is 90 degree. Therefore here theta we have to take 90 degree. So 90 upon 360 into value of pi 3.14 into r square. Radius of sector is 20. So its square is 400. Okay. So if you calculate this, 0 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 400, 4 1s are 4, and this 20. Okay. So here 100 multiplied by 3.14 is equal to 314, and here area of square is 400. So here we have 400 minus 314. So subtract this. 10 minus 4, 6. Here we have 9. 9 minus 1, 8. And 3 minus 3, 0. 86. So area of the shaded region inside the square. That means we got the area of this shaded region, which is 86 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the area of shaded region outside the square. So from figure you come to know that from this sector A dash PCQ. From this sector, if you remove this square, you will get the area of this shaded region. Followed? So, formula is area of the shaded region outside the square is equal to area of sector A dash PCQ minus area of square ABCD. Now to find out the area of sector, we required radius of this sector. Okay, so again observe the figure. For this big sector, so the radius, if you draw this diagonal of the square, this diagonal of the square is the radius of this big sector, and we have the formula for diagonal of square. Diagonal of square is equal to side into root 2, and side is 20, so 20 into root 2. This is the radius of bigger sector. So substitute formula for area of sector, theta upon 360 into pi r square minus area of square we calculated, which is 400. Means bracket square means here 20 square. Okay. Now area of sector, theta for bigger sector is also 90 degree because it is the angle of square. So 90 upon 360 into 3.14 into radius of bigger sector is 20 root 2 bracket square. Now simplify this. 0 0 cancel, 9 1s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Now if you make the square of this 20 root 2, the square of 20 is 400 and square of root 2 is 2. So the square of 20 root 2 we got 400 into 2, and it is divisible by 4. So 4 1s are 4, here 4 1s are 4. So we have here 200. So 200 multiplied by 3.14. So you will get answer 628. So area of bigger sector is 628 minus 20 square is 400. So 628 minus 400, 228. And therefore total area of the shaded region is equal to 86 plus 228. 86 is the shaded area inside the square and 228 is shaded area outside the square. So 86 plus 228 is equal to 314 square centimeter. So this way the area of shaded portion calculated. Okay, follow this activity. Question number 12. This figure is given. You can see there are two circles touching each other internally at point A. So let us read the question first. In the figure, two circles with centers O and P, center O and P, touching internally at point A. Here they touches internally at point A. If BQ equal to 9, this BQ equal to 9, DE equal to 5, DE equal to 5. Complete the following activity to find the radii of the circles. Okay, we have to find the radii of the circles. Both the circles radii we have to find out. So solution. Let the radius of the bigger circle be capital R and that of smaller circle be small r. OA, OB, OC and OD are the radii of the bigger circle. Now observe the figure. OA, OB, OC and OD. These are the radii of bigger circle. So this each segment is equal to capital R. PQ equal to PA. PQ equal to PA. These are the radii of smaller circle which is equal to small r. Okay. Now find out OQ. OQ is equal to OB minus BQ. We have betweenness O dash Q dash B. So OQ equal to OB minus BQ. And OB is the radius of bigger circle, which is capital R. So here we will get capital R minus 9. Okay. Next, OE. OE equal to OD minus DE. OD minus DE. OD is the radius of bigger circle. So, capital R minus 5. Okay. Now, as the chords of QA, chord QA and chord EF intersect each other at point O in smaller circle. So by intersecting chords property, here we will get product OQ into OA equal to OE into OF. Okay. So OQ we calculated R minus 9. So right here R minus 9. OA equal to radius of bigger circle capital R. OE into OF. So OE we calculated capital R minus 5 into OF, as OE is equal to OF. So OF is also capital R minus 5. Now R minus 9 into R, the product is R square minus 9R equal to R minus 5 into R minus 5. We have to make the square of this. So the square of R minus 5 is R square minus 10R plus 25. Okay. Now from both the sides this R square get cancelled. If you take minus 10R on left hand side, we will have 10R minus 9R, which is equal to R. So 10R minus 9R equal to R, and R is equal to 25. So capital R we got 25. Now AQ. If you observe the figure, AQ is the diameter of smaller circle and the radius of smaller circle is small r. So diameter is 2r. Therefore AQ is equal to 2r, which is equal to AB minus BQ. AB is the diameter of bigger circle, which is 50, and BQ is equal to 9. So 50 minus 9, 41. So 2r is equal to 41. So r is equal to 41 upon 2. Now divide this. 2 2s are 4. Then 0.25 are 10. So this way we got radius of bigger circle 25 and radius of smaller circle 20.5. So this way we have completed the activity.